Hi, it's Gizem. Today's guest is Humid from Tajikistan. Humid sent us his answer for last week's independent speaking question. So without further ado, let's remember the question and listen to Humid's answer.
Your school has received funds from the government. Should your school buy new televisions or books? Use specific reasons and details to support your answer.
In my opinion, the school needs to spend money on books, razors, and television because firstly, currently the students at school they are not studying a lot due to the effect of television. They don't read and they just watch television in order to get information. As an example, when I was at school, I didn't read a lot, so currently it affected badly on my reading section of TOEFL. So therefore, I started reading. Furthermore, books will last longer than television. As we know, television is technology, and technologies they always have problems. So I think books are better than television.
Overall, Humid's delivery was very good. There were no major problems in the intelligibility of his answer. However, his answer took about 47 seconds, so he needs to try to finish his answer within the 45-second time limit. Because of this, Humid got 3 points for delivery. Humid's language use was very good. Apart from a couple of minor mistakes, there were no other problems with his answer, so he got 4 points for this part. Humid mentioned two reasons for his opinion, but both of them had issues with coherence. He went off topic in his first reason. The task asked whether you would choose to buy books or televisions with the school funds. He said that currently the students at school do not study because of television, and they just watch TV to get information, which is why the school should buy books. However, just because the school buys books doesn't mean that the students would stop using TVs. Also, he gave an example about himself. He mentioned that he didn't read in school, so he had problems with the reading section of the TOEFL, which is why he started reading. This example, though, has no connection with the given task. The second reason was quite vague. Television is technology, and technologies always have problems is not very persuasive, especially when you don't specify what those problems are. Because of this, Humid would probably get something between 2 and 3 points for topic development. So overall, Humid's score would be somewhere around 2.5 to 3 points for this question. Now, it's time for next week's integrated speaking question. Remember that you have 60 seconds to give your answer for the integrated speaking questions. We will be waiting for your answers until next Wednesday, October 28th. So, thank you for watching and we'll see you next Thursday.
Read the following text and listen to the conversation that follows it. Then answer the question.
I don't like the school's decision.
Isn't it understandable? I mean, every restaurant is having hardships in getting eggs these days.
I get your point. But I think the real problem is the price of other breakfast menu options. The omelet was the only food that was cheap enough for us to eat in the cafeteria every day. They should have at least added more menu options with similar prices or lowered the price of other breakfast meals. I'm pretty sure that the school knows there are students who have financial difficulties.
At least we have cheaper dinner menu options. We can still enjoy our dinner at a reasonable price.
That's another thing that I don't like. It simply means the school can actually provide cheap menu options for our breakfasts too. The only reason they don't serve cheap meals for breakfast is that the profits aren't as high as dinner time, since students do not frequently use the cafeteria in the morning. This is totally wrong. The school should serve cheaper meals in the morning too, until they are able to sell the omelets again. I mean, students' welfare should be first.
Yeah, I agree. I understand your point. Probably the school will provide a solution in the near future.
I hope so. I have a lot of places to spend my money.
The man expresses his opinion on the school's decision to remove the omelet from the school cafeteria's menu. State his opinion and the reasons he gives for his claim.